Okay, I'm gonna fix this disc with a ring around it. So, if you guys have a disc like this or something like that, and it has like a ring about it, I'm gonna teach you how on. Hold on. Alright, so first thing, we're gonna need whatever this thing is. Yeah, alright, and then you're gonna need a sledgehammer. And oh, this might come in handy. And yeah, that's all you're gonna need. So what you're gonna want to do, alright, you're gonna take it out here, or take it to like a piece of concrete or something. Drop it. Stop on it. Stop on it. Kick it. And then it should look like this, you know? And then you wanna leave it on the ground like that. Get your materials. Alright, so you're gonna take the sledgehammer. There you go. Die. Oh my gosh, I see the ring leaving. Look, it's leaving. See, look, it's leaving. Hold on. Alright, now you're gonna take this little knife thing. Cut the ring off. Now cut the ring off. Like me over here. Cut off the ring. Alright, so you're gonna put these things away. I'm fixing my disc.
Hitting it?
No, I'm fixing it. Alright, so put this stuff away.
Really?
I'll take this thing.
Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
No, of course not. I'm gonna stab it like this. Stab it, stab it. Oh, guys, I see the ring leaving. It's leaving. Oh my god, it's almost gone. Hold on. You're gonna take this thing, right? You're gonna
put it next to see if it works.
You're gonna throw it like that. And leave it under the car. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna leave it under the car. I'm gonna freaking take that thing. Hold on. I'm gonna show you guys something. Meh. Alright, you're gonna pick it up from under the car, alright? Should look like this. Alright. Should look like that. You throw it again. Alright, that should look like that. Throw it again. That piece should be off. You know? See the ring leaving. See?
Let me see.
I'm not sure if you guys see that, but
No,
see?
Micah.
Should be like that. No, shut up, Jimmy. Throw it like that.
Go in the bushes now.
No, like that. And then you gotta throw it like that. Because my little brother's an idiot. And then throw it like that. I'm just kidding, Jimmy. And you gotta throw it in the bush. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed that video. And I'm out.